Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How's your life? I wish you always well. Okay, students, today we will learn math about the volume of geometry. The geometry that will be discussed in this material is cube and cuboid. During and after following this learning process today, students are expected to be able to: first, students can get to know the cube parts. Second, students can calculate the volume of the cube. Third, students can get to know the cuboid part. Fourth, students can calculate the volume of the cuboid. Now, please pay attention to me. Now, what is a volume? Volume is the measurement of the amount of space inside a 3D object that can be filled. It can be the measurement of any solid object like cube, square, cylinder, sphere, pyramid, etc. Volume of an object is usually measured using cubic units. By finding out the volume of an object, it also helps us find the amount required to fill an object. Now we will finding volume of cuboid. In geometry, a cuboid is a three-dimensional shape in which all sides are rectangles. It is a polyhedron, having 6 rectangular sides called faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. These rectangular faces are at right angles to one another. Thus, all angles in a cuboid are right angles. The volume of the cuboid is the product of the length, breadth, and the height, colloquially dubbed as LBH. For any cuboid of length is L, breadth is B, and height is H, the volume is equal to L multiplied by P multiplied by H. Take a look at this example. Example 1. Calculate the volume of the cuboid where length, breadth, and height are 12, 8, and 4 meters respectively. The solution: given length equals 12 meters, breadth equals 8 meters, height equals 4 meters. Now we have to apply the formula. Volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Volume of cuboid equals 12 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 384 meter cubic. Example 2. Calculate the breadth of the cuboid whose volume is given as 350 meter cubic, and length and edge are 7 and 5 meters respectively. Solution: given length multiplied by breadth multiplied by edge equals volume of cuboid. 7 multiplied by breadth multiplied by 5 is equal to 350. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. So, 35 multiplied by breadth is equal to 350. To find the breadth, we need to divide 350 by 35. Breadth equals 350 over 35. Breadth is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, breadth is 10 meters. Now we will find the volume of cube. Firstly, the question arises, what is cube? So, cube is a three-dimensional shape with equal width, height, and length measurements. Basically, a cuboid whose length, width, and height are equal is called a cube. A cube has a 6 rectangular sides with same size, 12 edges with same length, and 8 vertices. Since we know the volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and the cube is a special case of cuboid, where all length, breadth, and height are equal. Let's assume length equals breadth equals height equals A. Therefore, the formula is volume equals A multiplied by A multiplied by A. Or we can say A raised to the power of 3. Take a look at this example. Example 1. Find the volume of a cube with size of length 10 cm. Solution. We know that volume equals A raised to the power of 3, or volume equals A multiplied by A multiplied by A. Volume equals 10 raised to the power of 3 cm, or 10 cm multiplied by 10 cm multiplied by 10 cm. Volume equals 300 cm cubic. Therefore, the volume of the cube is 300 cm cubic. Example 2. Find the length of the side of the cube whose volume is 343 cm cubic. Solution. Side multiplied by side multiplied by side equals volume. Side to the power of 3 equals 343. To find the length of side, we have to find the third root of 343. Side equals third root of 343. Side equals 7 cm. Therefore, the length of the sides of the cube is 7 cm. Students, do you get my point? Great! Because you have got my point, now try to decide the volume of the cube and cuboid in text 1 by yourself. If you find difficulties, you can ask me. See you next time. Thank you. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.